Are there any side effects to doing eye exercises? You heard about eye exercises and now you are wondering if they come with some side effects. Eye exercises are pretty much like yoga for your eye muscles, and you don't have lift heavy weights, only eyeballs. The worst thing that might happen is you look a bit silly rolling your eyes in a public space. But that's free entertainment for anyone watching, right? Stick around, the secret I reveal at the end, it's worth it. No dry eyes like from contacts, the real eye hydration. Ever worn contacts for way too long? By the end of the day, your eyes feel like they spent 24 hours in the Sahara Desert. That's dry eyes for you, a lovely little side effect of wearing lenses for too long. Eye exercises, on the other hand, no dryness here. In fact, they might help your eyes produce more natural moisture. So goodbye scratchy dry eyes. Eye exercises are like hydration mask for your eyeballs. Atrophied eye muscle like from spectacles. Okay, picture this. You've been wearing eyeglasses for so long, your eye muscle could atrophy. And eyeglasses do all the heavy lifting for them. Eye exercises, on the other hand, are like sending your eyes to the gym without having to bench press 200 pounds. You simply keeping those eye muscles engaged and active. Think of them like casual workouts. Can eye exercises give really your eyes superpower? You might not develop superhuman vision from doing exercises, but the benefits are still solid. Like, can you see through the walls after a few weeks of focusing training? Probably not. But what you will get is more relaxed, efficient eye muscle, fewer headaches, and maybe even a little boost in how well your eyes handle screen time. It's the difference between your eyes feeling like a well-oiled machine or a rusty old engine on the verge of breakdown. Side effects. Only if laughing at yourself count. Now, are there side effects? Well, if you count laughing at yourself for doing funny eye movements in front of the mirror, then yes, absolutely. That's about it. No invasive surgery. No awkward recovery periods. No pamphlets with potential risk written in the tiniest font imaginable. You're just moving your eyes around a bit and give them some attention for once. It's like stretching before workout. Important. So, worst case scenario, you give a well-deserved break, like a coffee breaks for your eyes from screens. Your glasses wouldn't judge you, but they might get jealous. Oh, and don't worry about your eyeglasses getting all insecure. Eye exercises aren't about ditching your specs entirely. It's like cross-training your eyes for keeping them in shape, while still appreciating the support of your trusty eyeglasses offer. It's like cheating on your spectacles with the occasional workout, but they don't have to know. Check Eyesight Academy course with the best eye workout plan to improve eye health naturally. Exercise. Don't stress exercise. So, to wrap this up, are there side effects to exercises? No. No laser sharp cuts, no dry eyes, no atrophied eye muscles. Just you, your eyeballs, and a few moves that make them feel like they've been on a mini vacation. Just start little by little.